Not all safety glasses are built the same. When your eyes are on the line, trust the ones built to protect. Introducing the EYESafety ES007, India's premium prescription-compatible safety glasses with wraparound protection that shields both front and sides, at glassesindia.com. Built for long shifts and harsh environments. Soft, ventilated nose pads. Flexible, non-slip temple tips. Ideal for broader face profiles and extended wear. From oil rigs to factories, construction zones to workshops, ES007 stays firm, impact-resistant, and built for rugged performance. Tested and trusted. ANSI EYESafety 7.1 certified, designed to meet the most demanding industrial safety standards. Need vision correction? No problem. Get your custom prescription lenses fitted seamlessly into the same rugged frame. EYESafety ES007, built to protect, available now at glassesindia.com.